you have to create one parent class, 3 child class, and one main class. Okay, the total number of class is 5 classes. All right, so let's go through the questions. Okay, the first question, create a super class called car. Okay, super keyword, that means, as we learned before, super or parents or base is what we call as the super class. Okay, you have to create the parent class, which is named as car. And then the car class has the following fields and method. Okay, you have to define all this value and method in your parent class. I already stated here. Okay, and then you have to create the first child class. Okay, create a subclass of car class and name it as truck. All right, so we already learned in our lecture how can you create the descendant, which is the child class. Okay, you can use the extends keyword. Okay, and the methods in parents, you can use protected methods. If you use protected modifier methods, it will be accessible by all the child class. And then the truck class has the following fields and methods, okay, as is stated here. And then it also have a condition in the method for truck. Okay, if weight greater than 2,000, 10% discount, otherwise 20% discount. All right, so that is the condition that you have to include in your truck class. And then create a subclass of car class and name it as Ford. Okay, this is the other child class. Okay, Ford. The Ford class has the following fields and method. Okay, you have to declare these fields. It has integer year, integer manufacturer discount, and then the method double get sale price. Okay, the condition for this child class, from the sale price computed from car class, subtract the manufacturer discount. Okay, so you have to do some calculation here. Okay, sale price, sale price. Okay, sale price, subtract the manufacturer discount. Okay, and then another one, create a subclass of car class and name it as sedan. Okay, now another child class as sedan. The sedan class has the following fields and methods. Okay, integer length and double get sale price. And then this is the condition that you have to include in your sedan class. If length is greater than 20 feet, 5% discount, otherwise 10% discount. Okay, and then you have to create your main class. Okay, the main class where you create the instances and then you print the output. Okay, so you create my own auto shop class, which contains the main method. Okay, perform the following within the main method. Okay, this is the operations that you have to do in your main method, in your main class. Okay, so create an instance of sedan class and initialize all fields with appropriate values. Use super. Okay, super keyword we already learned in our lecture, right? You can use super dot and then call the method from the parents so that you can use the method in the child class or in the main class. Okay. Use the super method in the constructor for initializing the fields of the superclass. Okay. And then this is, I give it to you an example. Okay, an example for this one, how you can create a sedan instance. Okay, sedan, my sedan, new sedan, and then all the properties for that particular sedan car. And then create two instances of the Ford class and initialize all the fields with appropriate values. Use super method in the constructor for initializing the fields in the superclass. So it's the same thing. So here you have to create two instances here for the fourth class. Okay, and then third one, create an instance of car class and initialize all fields with the appropriate values. Okay, when I say initialize all fields with appropriate values, you can come up with any number like this. Okay, any appropriate number like this one, 160 speed, and then the speed 160, and then the value of the car, I set it as 20,000, and then the color and the length of the car. So you can come up with any value that you think is appropriate for the car that you are, for the instance that you are creating. Okay, so that is the exercise for today. You can submit using the link that I already shared in the Google in our WhatsApp group. Okay, use that link to do your submission. If you have any questions, you can just ask me.